A juror on the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard trial revealed he and the other panelists didn't find the actress' testimony credible, and some dismissed her emotional outburst on the stand as crocodile tears. The juror, one of 5 male panelists on the 7-person jury, said Heard's story didn't add up, Good Morning America reported Thursday. The crying, the facial expressions that she had, the staring at the jury. All of us were very uncomfortable, the juror, who spoke anonymously, told the outlet. She would answer one question and she would be crying, and 2 seconds later she would turn ice cold. Some of us use the expression crocodile tears. The juror said Depp on the other hand remained composed throughout his hours-long testimony, which lent credibility to his claims. A lot of the jury felt what he was saying, at the end of the day, was more believable. He just seemed a little more real in terms of how he was responding to questions. His emotional state was very stable throughout, the panelist recalled. The majority of the jury felt she was more the aggressor. The juror said a crucial moment in the trial came when Depp's attorney revealed Heard hadn't donated her $7 million divorce settlement, despite publicly asserting the cash would be given to a charity. She goes on a talk show in the UK. The video shows her sitting there telling the host she gave all that money away. And the terms she used in that video clip were "I gave it away, I donated it, it's gone." But the fact is, she didn't give much of it away at all, the juror said, calling the revelation a fiasco for Heard. During the trial, Heard defended the comments and said she pledged the entirety of the settlement and used the words pledge and donate as synonymous with one another. The panelist also disputed claims from Heard's lawyers that the case was a trial by social media and the jurors were wooed by Depp's fame. He said ultimately, both of them appear to be in the wrong. We followed the evidence. Myself and at least 2 other jurors don't use Twitter or Facebook. Others who had it made a point not to talk about it, he claimed. What I think is truthful was that they were both abusive to each other. I don't think that makes either of them right or wrong. But to rise to the level of what she was claiming, there wasn't enough or any evidence that really supported what she was saying. Following 13 hours of deliberation, the jury unanimously ruled that Heard defamed Depp, 59, in her 2018 Washington Post op-ed that called herself a victim of domestic violence. The panelists also found Depp guilty of defamation and awarded them both millions in damages.